Hey friends, welcome back to day 3 and we are still at Makale and going to climb Abuna Yemata Church. Would be very adventurous and dangerous. So let's get started. So this is the place that we are going. And I'm ready to go up. Let me show you a graveyard. Can you see this? It's a skull, bones.
The Abuna Yemata Guh Church, one of Ethiopia's most unique and breathtaking sites, offers an unforgettable adventure for those willing to undertake the journey.
So friends, I have to show you this. This is a different kind of cap that I'm wearing. If you can see inside, it's a black thingy. So this cap is usually worn by the construction people. This is of hard case. If you can hear the sound. This would protect my head if I fall down, because this hike is going to be a little dangerous one.
Nestled high in the Geralta mountain of Tigray region, this rock-hewn church is renowned not only for its religious significance but also for its dramatic and challenging access route. A trip to Abuna Yemata Guh is a blend of spiritual pilgrimage, historical exploration, and exhilarating adventure.
So this is the place that we are going. We have climbed all the way from down. How many hours? 1 hour?
No, 30-40 minutes.
30-40 minutes. But we have to use these ropes. Has anybody been killed? No?
Never fell down.
No one failed?
Yeah.
This is how holy this place is. This place is such a holy place that no one has fell from this mountain. So now the hardest part starts, where we have to climb the mountain like this.
Busy. አይዞሽ አልጢው ከተመለስ ተኸላይ አይዞሽ حزام حجزة ربا
So my guide here is helping me out, but the local village guide was up somewhere and I myself did not know where to go. So my guide helped me and showed me the way. But still I was wondering if that village guide would have come down and helped me, it would have been much better. The journey to church involves a steep ascent including a vertical rock climb and a narrow ledge walk with stunning views of the valley below.
Look where I am. I have climbed this mountain like this. Oh my god. Yet no church. You know? This one. Am I crazy or am I brave?
The climb to the church is both thrilling and demanding, making it a rewarding experience for adventurous travelers.
So this is the place where you have to remove your shoes, because now we are going to climb with the ropes like this. It's a holy place. It's a holy place, so you can't wear your shoes. This is the string that he has given me. This is what I have worn. And I'm ready to go up. Welcome to beautiful Tigray. We have finally made to the top of Abuna Yemata Church. I am happy that we all were safe and we could climb well. Every view at the top is magnificent, and I just love it. We have reached on the top of Abuna Yemata.
The view from church and along the ascent are truly spectacular, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding valleys and mountains. Dressing up modestly and respect the local customs and traditions, especially since Abuna Yemata Church is a sacred site. The church is believed to have been founded in the 5th century by Abuna Yemata, one of the 9 saints who came to Ethiopia from Eastern Roman Empire to spread Christianity. The interior of the church is adorned with beautifully preserved frescoes and murals that depicts biblical scenes, saints and angels. These artworks dating back centuries provide a glimpse into the rich religious and artistic heritage of Ethiopia. The church is a symbol of Ethiopia's rich cultural and religious heritage, reflecting the deep-rooted Christian traditions that have shaped the country for millennia. So now let me show you this. This is the Magic Bible and it's believed to hold miraculous power and it's thought to be a source of divine protection and blessings. Local legends often speak of Bible's ability to perform miracles and safeguard the church and its visitors. During religious ceremonies and important occasions, the Magic Bible is often brought out and displayed, allowing worshippers to receive blessings. It is a revered object and its presence enhances the spiritual atmosphere of the church. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. This is beautiful Abuna Yemata Church, which is difficult yet adventurous, and the view is magnificent. I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. If you like my content, you know what to do, right? Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.